The scene begins with Officer Parker stopping a vehicle because the license plate displayed did not match the car's registration. While the interaction starts professionally, the atmosphere shifts the moment the officer notices a passenger in the back, 22-year-old Gabriel Pope, failing to wear a seatbelt.
Hi.
Hey, how are you guys?
Okay.
Officer Cocker, Boise Police. The reason I'm stopping you is the registration is expired.
It is. I just got it from my dad. Wait, no, it's not expired.
Okay, so here's the issue, right? That's not the license plate that's on the car. Okay, so
What license plate? I
it's a
just,
two-
well, I
it's a
just
two
got it.
Charles, it's a 2 Charles license plate. So even
You
if
mean
it's,
a Canyon County license plate?
Canyon County license plate. So that's what's displayed. Okay, so if that's what is actually it's registered under, then what it is it's a fictitious display. You can't have an old plate.
Well, what do I do if I don't have the new plates delivered yet?
Take the old plates off.
Oh, I don't know. My dad was the one handling everything.
So yeah, as long as if you take the old plates off and just leave the
Can we
temporary
do that?
registration in the window, yeah.
Okay.
As long as you have a temporary registration in the window, you're okay, and we can see it, then you're okay.
So I'm free to roll these windows. It's kind of cold out here.
Yep, that's fine, man. You have info?
What's that?
Did he actually have a driver's license?
Yeah, South Carolina.
Okay.
Dude in the back, but I didn't see him at first.
Yeah, I didn't. I barely saw him as I walked up there. Wondering if he's got a warrant.
Yeah, and he doesn't have a seatbelt on.
We'll see if I can get the backseat passenger's ID.
Yeah.
Here's this bag.
Thank you.
And then, can you roll the back window down for me, sir? This one?
No, there's no reason to.
This one? There is actually. I need to ID him.
Dad, I
do. He's not wearing a seatbelt.
What time is it?
He's not wearing a seatbelt. It's a citable offense, so I need to know who I need to write that citation to.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to be able to identify him.
Oh.
Hey, sir, let me see your hands, please. Hey, sir, back seat. I need to be able to see your hands. Show me your right hand.
Do you care if I wake him up?
Sir, back seat, show me your right hand. Okay, keep that where I can see it. You understand? I'm going to pull him out. Yep. All right, here's what I need you to do. I need you to put both of your hands on the back seat rest. Okay? Put your hands on the seat rest. Put your hands on the back seat. Sir?
Oh, I didn't do nothing.
2214, code 1. Here's the thing, sir. Okay? I have a legal reason to identify you. I do. You weren't wearing your seatbelt.
This seatbelt doesn't work.
Okay. Either way, that's not the issue. The issue is that you were not wearing a seatbelt. When I ask you... No, it wouldn't, because he's an adult. If he was a minor, it would be.
I'm a minor.
When I'm talking to you, you were hiding your hands from me. Okay? That is pretty suspicious. I have every reason to have you step out of the vehicle.
Nope, I am a minor.
Okay. If you just keep your hands where I can see them, okay? But I need to identify you, all right? What's your last name, sir? What's your date of birth? What year? 2000? So if you were born in 2000, that means you're not a minor like you were just telling me. Hey, stop f***ing reaching. You understand me? Don't f***ing reach. Roll your window down. You need to stop reaching. You understand?
Sorry.
Sir, understand that I can control your movements right now. You understand that? So here's what we're going to do. Put your hands on the back of the seat rest. Driver, unlock the car.
You're not getting me out the car, homie.
Go ahead.
You're not getting me out the car.
Hey, what the f*** are you doing, man?
Hey!
Hey!
Shoot me then, bitch!
Shoot me! Get out of the car. You two, out of the car.
Shoot me then!
2014.
Get out of the car!
Clear the air.
Yourself, get out of the car!
Sergeant is code 3. He's got a knife.
No!
Get away from him!
Get away.
Get away from him! No!
Get away. Get out of the car.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No.
Get back here, dude!
No,
Get back here!
Don't do it.
Get back here. Sir, get back here.
What are you gonna shoot me too, man?
Back over here, man!
Hey,
Hey!
get...
Stop!
2214 took the suit. Northbound Vision. Just turned eastbound Highland. Black male adult. tan jacket, blue jeans, armed with a knife. Sir! Yep, he just went around this. Can be a black male adult, tan jacket, blue jeans. We're currently at 517 Highland. He's in the, he ran back into this gated area. We're gonna start setting a perimeter. I'm on the north side. We can get people to the east and south. Okay, just stay out of there for now. We got a suspect with an armed suspect back there. Hey, just make sure you guys know he is armed with a knife. He took off running from us. Hey, we'll hold here. I don't have eyes on him. Sounds like he went running back that way. At this point, we just have R&O. I've got him somewhat ID'd. I don't know if he has any warrants or anything, but he escalated it pretty quick and then pulled a knife out when I was trying to have him get out of the car. Dispatch was working on running him when this all kicked off. Information should be in the call.
Yeah, like assault on LE.
Not really. It'd be pretty weak.
He was the back passenger, trying to get him IDs, pretending to be asleep, doesn't have his seatbelt on, and then he reaches in his pocket. So we unholster, we pulls out a knife. We know his name.
Maybe. If he gave me the right name.
Have we gotten any return on him?
There! Boise police, stop right there. Do not move. On the ground. All right, I'm challenging him. He's coming at me with the knife. Stop right there. Do not move. Do not move. Shots fired. Suspect is down. Knife is still in his hand. Don't move. I understand that. We love you too. Okay? Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
Put the knife down. Tyrell.
Right next to Division.
Put the knife down.
He's got the knife in his hand. Let go of the knife, sir. Let go of the knife. Okay, stand by. We can get the knife to him once
Hey, I'm gonna kick that knife away.
Okay,
Knife
yep.
is in his right hand. See, you come up on
Gotcha.
lethal.
Yep.
You stay lethal.
Yep.
Sir, do not reach for that knife. Do not reach for that knife, sir.
Good.
Wait, get EMS, man.
Yeah, they're coming. You want to put him in cuffs?
All right, we're gonna get you medical attention right now, sir. Let me get it.
The knife is right here. You want to mark it?
Hey, they went that way.
All right. I'm sure they'll find us.
You guys all good?
Yeah, he was just coming at me from here.
Yeah, we're gonna help you, sir.
We got help on the way, bud.
Help you.
Don't worry.
Help is coming. Help is coming. Help is coming through the chest.
Yeah, let's get a chest seal on him.
Just one round.
3.
One here.
Yeah, right. There's two in the chest.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, that's it. No, just me. I'm gonna go update.